Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Nobita Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Prompt Engineering Basics. How to talk to your AI smartly. Imagine you have a super smart robot brain that can write code, create stories, or answer any question. But this brain, let's call it our AI, doesn't automatically know exactly what you want. Prompt engineering is simply the art and science of telling that AI what to do in a way it understands best. Think of it like writing clear instructions for a new junior developer. You're not coding the AI itself, but you're coding your instructions to get the best output from the AI. It's crucial for developers because it's how we unlock the AI's full potential in our apps and tools. Don't think of AI as magic. Think of it as an incredibly knowledgeable and fast intern who has read the entire internet. They're brilliant, but they take everything you say very literally. If you say, "Make me a website," they might give you a single HTML file with, "Hello world." They don't assume anything. As a developer, when you're writing code, you define every variable, every function, every condition. With AI, you define your request with similar precision. This intern needs clear tasks, boundaries, and examples, just like you'd guide a human teammate. This is the absolute core of prompt engineering. A vague prompt like, "Write about cars," will get you a generic, unhelpful answer. A specific prompt like, "Write a 300-word blog post comparing the fuel efficiency of hybrid cars versus electric cars," targeting first-time car buyers, and include a call to action to visit our dealership website, will get you something much more useful. From a developer's perspective, this is like providing clear function parameters instead of just hoping your function will do something useful. If your requirements document for a software project was, "Make a good app," you'd be lost. You need details. Just as a developer needs to understand the project's background, existing code, and user stories to write good software, your AI needs context. If you're asking it to summarize a document, provide the document. If you want it to write code, tell it what the code should interact with. For example, instead of just, "Write a Python function," say, "Write a Python function that takes two numbers, adds them, and returns the result." For an API that expects JSON output, this extra bit of information, the "for an API" part, is crucial context that guides the AI's output to be directly usable in your development workflow. Developers often work with strict data types, API specifications, and validation rules. You tell your database, "This column must be a number," or your API, "This endpoint expects JSON." You can do the same with AI prompts. You can say, "Do not exceed 200 words. Use only positive adjectives." Output the answer as a JSON object with title and summary keys. Do not include any personal opinions. These constraints guide the AI to produce predictable and structured output, making it much easier to integrate into your applications or process with your code later on. Just like writing code, your first prompt might not be perfect. You'll send a prompt, see the AI's response, and think, that's not quite right. Then you'll go back, tweak your prompt, add more detail, change a constraint, and try again. This iterative process of prompting, observing, refining is exactly like debugging or refactoring code. You test, you find issues, you fix them. Don't be afraid to experiment. It's a key part of developing effective prompts that deliver exactly what you need. Sometimes, the best way to get the output you want is to tell the AI who it should be. This is like setting up an environment or a specific mode for your AI. For example, act as a senior Python developer helping a junior. You are a customer service chatbot. Assume the role of a marketing expert by assigning a persona. You help the AI adopt a specific tone, style, and knowledge base, which dramatically improves the relevance and quality of its responses for your specific use case. From a developer's perspective, this is like configuring a specific library or module to behave in a certain way for a given task. Let's see it in action. Vague prompt. Write some code. AI. Print. Hello world. Not helpful. Better prompt. Act as a Python expert. Write a Python function called calculate _area that takes length and width as parameters. Calculates the area of a rectangle and returns the result. Include doc strings and type hints. Output only the Python code, nothing else. This refined prompt uses clarity, specificity, context, Python expert, function name, parameters, constraints, doc strings, type hints, output only code, and a persona. The AI will then likely give you a production-ready snippet you can directly use. This is how prompt engineering makes AI a powerful tool in a developer's toolkit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.